Today, we are going to learn how to export videos here in Adobe After Effects 2023. Once your video is complete, go to the Composition tab on the top bar and click on Add to Render Queue. Now, you will see your render queue on the bottom bar. Here, we have a bunch of settings. Let's start with the render settings by clicking on this blue button saying Best Settings. Make sure your quality is set to best and the resolution is set to full. The other things on this menu don't really matter at all. Press OK and go to Output Module. By pressing the blue button, here you can change your format to PNG sequence, MP3, Photoshop sequence, QuickTime, etc. Here you can change the channels, the depth, and the color settings. You can resize the video and crop it too. Once you get your settings right, press OK. Now, click on Not Yet Specified to choose a destination path to the file that will be rendered. You can rename it too. Click on Save, and now all you have to do is click on this render button to export your After Effects production. Now wait for the exporting process. If any errors pop up, leave a comment below. If the video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content about much other stuff. Bye!